What's up, YouTube fam? It is time to do a 9-month update on C6 Ceramics Hydro. I know it's really hard to see, but my Volkswagen is absolutely filthy. I've purposely not washed it or anything in the past 3 months. So this has been sitting for the majority of the time. For the 3 months it's been sitting, I've been driving my work truck to all the details. You can definitely see on the roof. Yeah, very dirty. I know it looks still pretty clean from afar away. That's a testament to the self-cleaning properties of the coating. But on the parts where the rainwater couldn't really hit, definitely still some dirt. So I am gonna wash it off camera, unless we have to do some water spot remover, because I'm gonna do the rest on TikTok. But I wanted to show you guys what the water behavior looks like at the moment. So this is the Hydrophobics before the wash. So still looking really good. About the roof, the roof has seen better days, that's for sure. Let's hit it with some higher pressure. So the roof ain't looking that good. A little bit concerning, but we'll see. You see, basically everywhere else besides the roof is looking phenomenal. Let's see if the hood is having the same issue as the roof. Yeah, definitely some slow sheeting on the hood. So hopefully it gets back after the wash. Windshield's still looking good, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the wash and then I'll come right back. Alrighty guys, so what I ended up doing is I tried out some Chemex Stars and Stripes to see if maybe the acidic soap of the Stars part would unclog it. It did not. So what I went ahead and did afterwards, I used Nighthawk brand's pH neutral soap called Swanky Suds. I just did a full-on contact wash. Let's see if that revived the coating at all. Oh shoot. It actually looks worse. This is a little bit alarming. I'll show you the front bumper. Still looking a little worse for wear. So we're definitely going to have to use some water spot remover, and hopefully that helps. If it doesn't, then it's a little alarming. I will say the contact wash definitely helped the roof a whole lot. Check this out. It definitely brought it back a whole lot, but the hood so far is the worst area. This is how the lower panels look like at the moment. I mean, definitely still hydrophobic, but not at the C6 Hydro standards that I've had and that I've seen so far. Seems like this little quarter panel also is not doing very hot. Well, time to resort to some water spot remover. Come on, focus. So this is the DIY water spot remover. The hood is definitely my most concerning spot. So the directions say to spray on a panel at a time, allow 1 to 2 minutes of dwell time, then rinse off, agitate if needed. So let's go ahead and spray some on. Oh no, I think the trigger is starting to clog up a little bit. I guess it's some strong freaking stuff. I should have brought my spare triggers. So let me just finish this off camera. This is kind of hard. All right, I found a random trigger in the garage. So I've already sprayed it on the hood. Let's spray some on the front bumper here. And now we'll let this sit for a bit. I really hope, I really hope it fixes it, because if not, it's kind of a shame for how expensive this coating is. Man, just look at these Oklahoma skies. So beautiful. Alrighty, moment of truth. It's been sitting on for about a minute or so. Let's rinse off and see what it looks like. I mean, we're definitely looking a whole lot better, but this still isn't as good as it used to be. All right, let's try the bumper. I mean, definitely helped the bumper a lot, but again, this is not as good as how it used to be. Still just kind of quickly sheeting, not quite the crazy hydrophobics that it used to have. Okay, I'm sorry, the sun has definitely been setting really quickly, but I just did the water spot remover on the whole vehicle, and I ended up doing the agitation with it, and let me show you what we're looking like. Now, is it better? Yes, 100% better than what it was. You guys saw how flat it was laying before. But this is still not doing very well, especially for 9 months on a lifetime coating. This already now needs a topper. This quarter panel, this is what it looks like after the water spot remover. Now this one has come back quite a bit. Y'all saw how it was. I'm not upset with that at all. Lower panels. Lower panels are looking nice. Other one. Still looking good. And again, sorry for the bad lighting. I forgot my work lights. But the hood still leaves a little bit to be desired. One thing I have been noticing though is the longer I wait, the more hydrophobic it gets again. Let's try again. So it is getting better as we speak, which is quite interesting. Huh, that's really interesting actually. I mean, it's getting better. Here's the back of the roof. Basically back to 100. We did have some slow sheeting on the back. Let's look at it now. That is weird. What the heck? So, something weird about this is the longer you let it sit after you do the water spot remover treatment, the more hydrophobic it gets. I was not expecting that. So, honestly, after I did the agitation with the water spot remover, I really was not impressed with the hydrophobics. But now that I went back to it, it's looking better and better. So I might do another round of it. All right, guys, it's currently 6:44. I'm gonna come back in about 10 minutes and we'll see what the water looks like. All right, so while we wait, I'm genuinely surprised. I was ready to just go all in on C6, and I was pretty upset, man, because, you know, they claim lifetime and I've already installed this exact same coating on like 5 different other vehicles. So it worried me, you know, because yes, although if it did fully fail, it would 100% would be my fault. I let it sit outside for 3 months without washing it. Understandable. I understand that would be 100% my fault, but I want to test this coating realistically in the real world. Now, the last time I gave it a proper hand wash was 3 months ago. So that was at the 6-month mark, and the coating was doing phenomenal. It looked like day one. Now, you know, I let it sit outside and it got rained on. It snowed a couple times. I did drive it through the snow a couple times because my truck is rear-wheel drive. There's a cat that's in my parking lot that walks all over all the time. So it got dusty. It got some rain spots, dirt spots, baking in the sun, although it was cold outside. So understandably, I would understand and see that it would be 100% my fault if the coating did fully fail. But I would have been upset if it did, because this is a claimed lifetime coating. It is not cheap to buy. So I would have been upset, but it seems like it's doing really good now. So we've got about, I don't know, 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna rinse it off again because it seems like it's getting better and more hydrophobic the longer we wait. So we'll do that, and yeah, I'll be back after that. So I'm very impatient. It is 54. We're gonna go ahead and do it. So let's see what the water behavior looks like. We're back. We are back. That is insane. I went ahead and turned the car around that way with some of these lights out here. We have a little bit of better view, but looks like the coating is back. That is wild. That is so crazy. Oh yeah. This is what I was expecting. Absolutely nuts. These quarter panels took a big hit. Let's go ahead and look at it now. Yeah, guys, we're back to 100%. That is wild. Also, if y'all know what to do, this thing keeps like surging or building up pressure every like 5 to 10 seconds. And oh, there it is. So if you know what the fix to do that is, please leave it down below. That'll be very helpful. Let's go ahead and see if it still air dries really well. Yeah, this coating is back to 100%, guys. So guys, this stuff right here definitely saved the day. The DIY Detail Water Spot Remover. I am 100% out. So I'm not sure if these are available by the gallon yet, but if they are, I'm definitely picking some up because that saved the GTI 100%. It brought it back 100%. I even hit it with Stars and Stripes before, hoping that the Stars, the acidic soap, would kind of help break it down. It definitely didn't do anything. So that's the star of the show right here. DIY Detail Water Spot Remover. Just keep in mind, when you're using it, the Hydrophobics on the immediate rinse off is not going to be the end. So let it sit for about 10 minutes, then hit it again, and just wait until you see the results that you want. Once it's back to where it's at, where you want it to be, then go ahead and dry it. So I'm still not going to be applying any toppers yet. I want to see how long I can go without doing toppers. I don't have anything against toppers, but I want to see how long this coating can go by itself. So yeah. So there you have it, guys. A little bit of a jump scare. I totally thought the coating had failed on the hood and the roof and some other spots, but it turns out it just needed some really deep water spot removal treatments. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're currently at 9 months on the C6 Ceramics Hydro. I'll be doing another follow-up probably around the 12-month mark, the 1-year mark. In between then, I'm going to make sure to wash it every single month, probably with a rinseless wash, just be honest. If you guys want to see it month to month, let me know. I'm probably going to be doing just rinseless wash with that, but just let me know if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. If you guys have a really clogged coating, if you're using any of the DIY Detail coatings or the C6 coatings and you have it clogged, try out the DIY Detail Water Spot Remover before you call it quits, before you leave a bad review. Try that stuff out. It definitely unclogged my coating, brought it back to 100%, which makes me feel so much better. Gives me a lot more peace of mind for the 5 clients of mine that I've coated with C6 Ceramics. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave it down below. If you have any suggestions, maybe there was a better method to do a decon on this, let me know. I'm not perfect. I'm still learning a lot of things. But yeah, thank you so much. C6 Hydro, still doing good. And we'll see you guys in the next video.